Hello again. So I thought I'll do another quick video of the Haldex controller that I've made and the app and how everything works. So just turn the key on, start the app. Okay, so first we'll scan for the nodes, choose our device. It connects, so you can see the Haldex pressure, temperature, throttle position, whether the brake has been pressed or not, duty cycle and everything else. So in the controls we can manually engage the clutch, turn the pump on off, choose whatever duty cycle we want for the pump. Then in the settings we've got the base engagement, so this is basically whatever it's gonna be constantly on. So instead of starting from 0 when you accelerate, it already has some pressure and it's basically ready to go. Activation threshold is for the throttle, in what percentage it starts the activation. Max engagement is the maximum clutch engagement hold time. So this is for when you release the throttle, it will keep the clutch engaged for that amount of seconds basically, so it wouldn't disengage it straight away when you release the throttle. Brake reduction, so basically how much it reduces the engagement when you press the brake. Ramp speed is just the speed of changes basically. Steering wheel controls, I'll come back to that later on. Temperature warning, so you can set a warning for a certain threshold. Once it reaches 100 degrees, it's gonna be automatically cut off anyway. So then you can save it to 3 different profiles, so you can have 3 profiles with different settings. And yeah, basically the fun part is that when the cruise control is not turned on, so when it's off, you can choose the profiles just from these buttons. So this is your profile number 1, this is the profile 2, profile 3, and this will basically turn it off or deselect all the profiles, so nothing's been powered on. So yeah, this is how it works, and I've done a couple of test rides. It seems to be working pretty good. You can really go sideways if you want, and yeah, so if you have any other ideas what to add or what else could be useful, yeah, of course, would be happy to hear about them. I did wanted to get the basically build the menu so it would broadcast the profiles and everything in that text box there as well, but I haven't had much luck with it, and by the sounds of it, on the P1, so the 30s and V50s, you can't actually send custom messages here as you can on the P2s. So anyway, I'll see, maybe I can work something out, but if not, I think this is not too bad either.